first I'm adding 1 cup of suji to the bowl. To this you have to add curd as per the requirement. I have added 4 tablespoons. Once that's mixed, we are going to add water as per we require so that the consistency of the batter becomes pouring. Once that is mixed, add in the salt and some vegetables. I am adding chopped onions, tomatoes and some coriander leaves. Mix this well and keep aside. Now it's time to prepare the breads. I have just cut them in roundels, but you can use them in the square shape as well. Now you have to add the batter to the bread as I'm doing here. Now it's time to fry those, and I'm using a non-stick pan, adding a little bit of oil.
So I hope you liked my recipe, and if you happen to enjoy such recipes, please don't forget to subscribe to Ash's Kitchen. The subscribe button will be on the screen somewhere or down bar below. And if you have any more requests or any recipes you want me to try, please let me know in the comment section below, so I will make sure to do that. Until then, happy